Everyone, it's me again, anyway, Black Swan, back again with another video, and this is a makeup tutorial. And this look, I usually don't do Smokey, I usually don't, but I was playing around in some makeup and this look wound up turning out way better than I expected. I actually was trying to do something else, then it morphed into this. I was like, you know what, this is kind of cute, so I kind of want to do a tutorial on it. I got compliments on my Instagram page because I actually posted a picture on my Instagram page, and you know, like it wasn't booed, so I decided to do a tutorial on it. And then plus it's easy steps. I'm not gonna say it's super easy look, because every time I say it's easy, somebody's on here like, girl, that's not easy. So it's simple steps. It just takes time because it takes a lot of blending because it's dark colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump to that, but before we do that, I do want to give a special thanks to UrbanVibezCosmetics. I will put their link down below. It is a small brand, and I have a nice little back and forth with the CEO, founder, owner of the brand. She is such a beautiful soul. She's so like inspiring and stuff like that. She's like our age, you know what I'm saying? Like, she's not like an older woman. I'm kind of old. She's younger than me. I'm kind of old, but like, it's nice to see a young woman of color like really doing her thing. So big shouts out to her, having this incredible product, incredible brand. Hopefully y'all check her out before and get y'all hands on the palette for the holidays, because you know how it gets, you know. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Okay, so here's a closer view of how the look's going to come out. And the first thing I'm gonna do for this look is get my Urban Vibes palette, and I'm going to start off with blue. I'm not going to have any transition colors because I'm trying to minimize these steps. So I already have my eyebrows done and my concealer of choice to prime my eyelids. I do not use powder to set the eyelids, I just pat it dry. So I'm taking the blue and I'm pat sweeping, so it's like a real gentle pat to apply the color, and then a real light hand to sweep the color across the eye. Now this is extremely pigmented, so I didn't have to keep adding on a lot of color. Like, all I had to do was like dip it into the pan like once or twice, and then this is what it gave me. Like, it's really pigmented, so that's a big plus, because you know it cuts down on time, but you do need to make sure that you're blending it out evenly. So real light hand sweeping motions, I'm taking it across the crease of my eye, very light hand, buffing. So I'm now taking some color off. I'm taking my makeup rag and to buff it out, because there's so much pigmentation, I don't want to keep spreading the color. So to buff it out, you know, I wipe the color off, and now I'm taking it with a little harder hand and sweeping across the eye. So this is how it looks like when I buff out the corners of my crease. So now the purple. I'm taking the purple and I am using a flat fluffy brush to pat that across the lid of my eye. Now, because I want a distinct look of purple, I'm going to take more color to pat that on. I'm patting it. I'm not doing as much sweeping because I'm going to buff out the crease with the same brush. So real light hand, I just sweeped it across my corner, my crease, and then that was it, because the colors basically blend out themselves. So using my Colourpop, I think this is actually a contour powder in the shade Perk Up. I use that for my eyebrow bone, and now I'm going to use this Jordana, is that how you say it? Jordana retractable eyeliner, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that green on my eye. I get it at Walgreens. Any type of like drugstore sells it. It's super cheap and it looks really good, and it sticks to your eye, so easy to spread. And then I just smoke it out a little bit because I kind of want this to be a nice dramatic smoky look. It's like a nice little peacock. I do tend to gravitate towards peacock looks when it comes to dramatic colors, because with green and brown eyes, blue and purples and greens look good with it. I think that's how it goes. But anyway, I like the way it looks. So next, I'm taking the Colourpop Body Glitter. And I'm going to be placing that on the inner corner of my eye. This is a gel. It comes on like a jelly. So what I'm doing is I'm placing it on the inner corner. I'm spreading it to my liking. You can take it as far as out you want. I like to use a lot. So I'm taking it on the inner corner and I'm kind of taking it up into my eye lid. And then also I'm going to sweep it a little bit past the lower corner of my inner corner of my eye, taking it like kind of like on my lower lash line, just to give it like an extra pop. Also, because my eyes are almond shaped, it gives it that extra open look, so it looks a little like kind of catty. And then I'm gonna add some really cute lashes, and then that's the look. Just make sure while you're doing the look that you're blending. So the colors is 2 colors, right? But patting it on and sweeping it is the key. And then if you're a newbie, get a blending brush and a flat fluffy brush. Those 2 brushes really do help to help you with your placement, because if you're using the same brush for both, it might not work. So that's gonna be the end of this tutorial. I hope this helped. Please ask me any questions that you need to down in the comments, and thank y'all for watching. Bye.